This is a 52-inch ceiling fan. It works on all speeds, high speed, down, draft mode. Puts off a good breeze on high speed, medium speed, downdraft. Low speed. Reverse, high speed, medium speed, low speed. It's and the light kit on this ceiling fan works as well. Now, this ceiling fan does need some cleanup work, but most of it is unnoticeable. A couple of nicks and scratches from being took up and from being hung and just use over the years. Now, this listing is for this ceiling fan only, not any of the other ones that you might see in this video. It's good, barely any wobble that's noticeable. Now, I do have two blade sets of this fan. This is just the brown ones that I have. If you want the white ones, whenever you email me, please let me know that you would prefer white blades instead of brown blades. Or whenever you call me on this Craigslist listing. Thanks for your time and have a good day.